Now, moving on from there, we had the 1962 war, then we moved on and we had Pakistan as another one. And then this perennial battle of Kashmir goes on. I mean, this insurgency, terrorist activity. So you have India has always been at the forefront of war against terror. And you have the Pakistan and the Chinese together. So fighting a twin enemy as desperate as Pakistan, as powerful as China.
See, when you look at the relationship in this triangle of India, Pakistan and China, where India and Pakistan are concerned, our relationship is based on 1947, on the bloodshed at that time, on the frustrations and enmity of that period, and the revenge mode to a certain extent on both the sides. We couldn't trust each other. Plus, Pakistan's quest that he must have the river waters which irrigate his land. I think India goes out of its way. The first water agreement in 50s is between India and Pakistan, Indus Water Treaty. We promise rivers, these 3 rivers will be with you, these three will be with India, waters will be utilized accordingly. But that doesn't solve the problem. And the problem doesn't get solved for the simple reason that Pakistan, it is the military that tastes power. And when it tastes power, it realizes that if you do not create a bogey, if you do not create perpetual problem, then your existence is limited. So whether what happened in 48, what happened in 65, what happened in 71, what happened thereafter in Kargil, or what has happened as part of proxy war, it is all a psyche that our prominence, our power, our money, our loot comes from creating enmity with India. So you have Pakistan which will be perpetually in this mode.
You mean to say this problem cannot be solved?
I don't think so. There has to be a cataclysmic change if this problem has to be solved. Now when you look at this third part of this triangle, where China is concerned, it realizes in 60s that it must make use of Pakistan if it has to contain India. India cannot be allowed to become a regional power and go ahead in its balance of power. And therefore, it assists anybody who is inimical to India, whether it is funding the insurgencies, whether it is arming the insurgents, whether it is telling Pakistan ABC, transferring missile technology, giving them arms. It is all boosting Pakistan as a cat's paw.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.